Enterprise fundamentals are the core building blocks that structure, sustain, and define the success of any business. These fundamentals include mission and vision, strategy, structure, governance, human resources, finance, operations, information technology, customer relationship management, risk management, and continuous improvement. Each of these components plays a crucial role in shaping the organization's path towards achieving its short-term achievements and long-term goals. Understanding these fundamentals helps stakeholders, from employees to executives, and from investors to customers, to align their efforts with the organization's objectives. It's not merely about having a set of rules or guidelines. It's about creating a robust framework that supports the growth, efficiency, and resilience of the business. By mastering these essentials, businesses can navigate the complexities of the market more effectively and sustainably. Furthermore, in an increasingly competitive and rapidly changing business environment, having a deep understanding of these fundamentals is more crucial than ever. They provide a blueprint for businesses to adapt, innovate, and respond to challenges and opportunities. Thus, mastering these enterprise fundamentals is foundational not only for business success, but also for fostering innovation and maintaining competitiveness in the global market. By diving deeper into each of these critical areas, we can explore how they contribute to forming a cohesive, robust, and adaptive business model. This exploration will not only highlight the theoretical aspects, but also practical applications in real-world business scenarios, showcasing the indispensable value they offer in driving business excellence. The mission and vision of a company are often viewed as the heart and soul of an organization. A well-crafted mission statement clearly expresses the purpose of the company, answering the fundamental question of why the business exists. This clarity helps in aligning the organization's activities and strategies towards a common goal. Meanwhile, the vision statement provides a picture of what the organization aims to achieve in the future, serving as a guiding star for long-term aspirations. These elements are crucial in steering the organizational culture and providing a sense of direction that influences strategic planning and decision-making. When employees understand and connect with the mission and vision, they are more likely to feel motivated and committed. This alignment enhances collaboration and drives the organization's progress towards achieving its goals. A strong, resonant mission and vision can also enhance the organization's image and appeal to both potential customers and prospective employees. In practice, companies like Google have thrived by maintaining clear and ambitious visions and missions. Google's mission to organize the world's information and make it universally accessible and useful, and its vision to provide an important service to the world. Instantly delivering relevant information on virtually any topic have guided the company through massive growth and innovation. This clarity and purpose have helped Google in making strategic decisions that align with its long-term objectives, thereby sustaining its market leadership and operational excellence. Business strategy is the framework upon which companies base their choices on how to compete in their markets. A robust strategy provides a roadmap for achieving competitive advantages and specifies the necessary allocation of resources to realize these goals. It involves understanding the market dynamics, evaluating competitive positions, and identifying unique value propositions that the business can sustainably offer. The process of crafting a strategy is not static. It requires continuous analysis and adaptation to changing market conditions and internal capabilities. This dynamic process ensures that the strategy remains relevant and effective in achieving business objectives. Moreover, the implementation of the strategy is as crucial as its formulation. Effective implementation requires detailed planning, competent leadership, and a committed workforce that understands and supports the strategy. Companies like Apple exemplify the successful implementation of innovative strategies. Apple's strategy of innovation in product design and functionality, coupled with a strong emphasis on brand loyalty and customer experience, has allowed it to dominate markets. This strategy is not just written in reports, but is evident in every product they release and every marketing campaign they launch, demonstrating a perfect alignment of strategy formulation and implementation. Organizational structure defines how activities such as task allocation, coordination, and supervision are directed toward the achievement of organizational aims. It can vary widely between organizations, influenced by factors such as company size, industry standards, and corporate strategy. An effectively structured organization can enhance efficiency and provide clear paths for communication and authority. The right structure supports agility and adaptability, which are crucial in today's fast-paced business environments. It allows businesses to respond quickly to market changes or internal demands. For example, a flat organizational structure can facilitate faster decision-making and increase the responsiveness of the organization, empowering employees by reducing layers of management. Tech giants like Tesla have adopted less hierarchical structures to foster innovation and accelerate decision-making processes. This structural approach aligns with their strategic objectives of rapid innovation and scalability. It allows them to stay agile and responsive in the highly competitive and fast-evolving automotive and energy industries. Governance in business refers to the systems of rules, practices, and processes by which companies are directed and controlled. Ethical leadership, on the other hand, ensures that these governance structures are implemented in a manner that upholds integrity and ethical values. Together, effective governance and ethical leadership form the backbone of a trustworthy and sustainable enterprise. Good governance establishes policies and directives that align with the business's goals and regulatory requirements, ensuring that every aspect of the company operates within a defined and ethical framework. This structure not only helps in mitigating risks, but also enhances the organization's reputation. Ethical leadership, fostered by governance structures, influences the corporate culture and plays a key role in employee retention and satisfaction. Companies like Starbucks have set examples in ethical leadership and governance. Their commitment to ethical practices and sustainability is integrated into their governance structures, ensuring that these priorities are reflected in every decision and policy. This approach has not only helped them in maintaining high standards of corporate conduct, but has also contributed to their global popularity and customer loyalty. Human resources, or HR management, is critical in recruiting, retaining, and developing talent within an organization. Effective HR strategies ensure that the right people are in the right roles, equipped with the necessary skills, and motivated to perform at their best. This alignment of human capital to the organization's needs is crucial for achieving business objectives. HR management goes beyond hiring. It encompasses training, development, performance management, and employee engagement. These elements are essential for building a skilled and committed workforce. Moreover, HR strategies must evolve to meet the changing needs of both the organization and its workforce, adapting to new technologies, workplace norms, and employee expectations. Companies like Google are renowned for their innovative HR practices. They offer extensive employee benefits, career development opportunities, and maintain an open culture that encourages creativity and participation. These practices not only attract top talent but also ensure high levels of employee satisfaction and loyalty, which are crucial for long-term success. Financial management is pivotal in steering a company towards its economic goals and ensuring long-term sustainability. It involves planning, organizing, controlling, and monitoring financial resources to achieve organizational objectives. Effective financial management enables a company to maximize returns for its stakeholders while maintaining a balanced financial risk profile. Key aspects of financial management include budgeting, financial analysis, and investment management. These practices help in making informed strategic decisions and in maintaining the financial health of the organization. Additionally, financial management practices must be adaptable to changes in the market conditions and internal business needs to ensure financial stability and growth. Successful companies like Amazon demonstrate how adept financial management supports expansive growth and innovation. Amazon's strategic investments in technology, logistics, and new market ventures are supported by robust financial planning and analysis, allowing it to maintain leadership in e-commerce and cloud computing while exploring new markets. Operations management is essential for the efficient functioning of business activities. It ensures that business operations are effective and align with the overall strategy of the organization. This management area focuses on optimizing processes, ensuring quality, and maximizing customer satisfaction, all of which are crucial for competitive advantage. Effective operations management involves a thorough understanding of the product or service lifecycle, from production to delivery. This understanding helps in streamlining processes, reducing costs, and improving product quality. Moreover, it requires continuous monitoring and adaptation to maintain efficiency and responsiveness to market or technological changes. Companies like Toyota have set benchmarks in operations management with their Toyota Production System, which emphasizes continuous improvement and just-in-time production. This system has not only reduced waste and improved operational efficiencies, but has also become a model for industries around the world, showcasing the critical role of operations management in organizational success. Information technology, or IT, is a critical enabler of business processes across organizations. In today's digital age, IT not only supports operations, but often drives innovation and strategic differentiation. From improving communication across the organization to facilitating data-driven decision-making, IT plays a pivotal role in modern businesses. Effective IT management ensures the alignment of technology strategies with business objectives, enhancing operational efficiencies and competitive advantage. It involves the deployment of appropriate technologies, management of IT resources, and protection of data integrity and security. Moreover, IT is integral in facilitating the transition of businesses towards digital operations, which is crucial for staying relevant in the digital era. Leading firms like Microsoft demonstrate the strategic use of IT not only in their products, but also within their operations. Microsoft's use of cloud computing technologies to enhance their operational efficiency and customer service is a prime example of IT's role in modernizing business operations and offering new value propositions.